It's going brighter. I wonder if I'm close. Go. A fire that only blooms during blizzards. It's dangerous to ascend the northern mountains. This time of year, don't a lot of people go missing? Are you sure you'll be okay? That's right, they call it the blizzard crystal. It's an herb that can cure any ailment. I'm not sure I trust Deku's definition of reckless.
I finally got a hold of an enchanted artifact that can locate the blizzard crystal. It'll be fine. I've climbed it several times and I've got the route down. I won't do anything reckless.
My protection spell has a limit of 6 hours. Got it. Start hiking back as soon as it wears off, okay?
It's alright. The spell hasn't worn off yet. I have to find it quickly, thanks. You're Raka. With the blizzard crystal, I'll be able to save so many more people. At least this charm is warding off any monster attacks, and I'm starting to feel the chill.